Uwant just gifted me their B400 carpet and upholstery cleaner, and this has some incredible features. Instead of just being your standard carpet and upholstery cleaner, this actually can use steam or hot water to really help you get the stains out. And in this video, I want to show you exactly what you get, set it up, and put it to the test. Let's go. Now, I just took everything out of the box, and my first impression is that this is one sleek machine. It is pretty. Now it has a few items I need to attach first to get this set up. The first one is it has this little attachment for accessories that goes on the side. And you just pop it in and push it down. And then on the back, this is where your power cord will wrap onto. And it just has this element right here. And then you have a power cord that is easily 12 feet long. Now, while this is pretty, I do wish it was the design of most vacuums where there's two elements and one twist for easy removal when you need to use it. And then you have your cord, nice and clean. And then on the handle, you have your options for steam or hot water mode right here. And then, like I said, this is not your standard carpet cleaner. It has a lot more going on. It does have the more standard cleaning head. This one you may be familiar with. Top here can be removed for easy cleaning. It has the steam sprayer right on the top here. And then this is your scrub bristles, and you can actually remove these and flip it around to get to these kind of more rubbery silicone bristles. These are great for pulling up pet hair. And then finally, it even has another kind of scrub brush, so you really can choose which one is best for your situation. And on top of that, you have your steam brush head. So if you just want to spray steam, if you want to use this as a steam cleaner, you can. And with this, you'll want to add one of the attachments. You have your focused steam attachment right here. And then you have this scrub brush steam nozzle. And so that's going to give you a little bit more of a spread out steam, and you can scrub at the same time. And then finally, it has a self cleaner. And then all of these just attach right on very easily, and they have a button on the back to detach. So very clean there. And now once it's all put together, it's so close to holding everything. I do wish there was a place for these and for the cleaning fluid. I obviously could just toss these on top or put them in the water tank just so everything stays together when I'm not using it. That would work beautifully. Now it is all one piece ready for storage. Now let me show you this incredible device. Let's take all that out again. Now, unlike every other carpet and upholstery cleaner I've tested, the tank is a singular tank. It has a release button on the top. Just press that down and you can pull off the entire tank. And at the bottom here, you can see all the compartments. This is where the dirty water is going to be coming up into it and where the air from that suction can go back out. And then this is where the cleaning fluid is going to go into the machine. And that is where it gets a bit fancy here, as this tank is your clean water and dirty water tank. The top comes right off of it, and when I open it up, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's actually two separate tanks in one. This open side is the dirty water tank, and then this enclosed side is the clean water tank. So you'll just open it up, fill it up, and it has all the lines on the side for filling, so you know exactly what you're doing. And then finally, you get your cleaning solution. They give you their uwant cleaning solution, so obviously I will test this. This smells a little bit like a floral hairspray or dry shampoo. It's actually kind of nice. It's very different than most cleaning fluids that I have tested, so that's unique. Let me fill this up and we'll put it to the test. Now, when I turn it on, it is quite loud. This little indicator light will go green, meaning it's in absorption mode. It's going to be sucking up the liquid. And then I can press the water spray button and it will enter hot spray mode and the indicator light will turn yellow. And then if I press the steam button twice, the machine will enter steam mode and the indicator light will turn red. It does take 30 seconds for you to get to hot water or steam, but that's pretty darn quick. So let's turn it on and see how this goes. Let's go. Now it took up the stain fast. I am really impressed with this sprayer. It was definitely spraying hot water. This is so cool and it definitely did what I expected. Now let me take this off as I just want to test out, even though I wouldn't be using this for carpet, this steam cleaner portion. So this should be very cool as well and just do the steam spray. So let me turn this on again. And you can see just how much steam is coming off there. That is impressive. That is a lot of steam. So I could be using that to clean the carpet. As you can see, that was a ton of steam. I used it to scrub out the carpet more. You can definitely just use this to scrub or this to scrub. I think this gives you more focused steam spray. So this would be really nice on car upholstery. You could use this on your stove top, anywhere where you really need to scrub with steam. This is one impressive steam cleaner meets carpet and upholstery cleaner. And for the final test, I'm just gonna pop in the self cleaner and then I'll just turn it on and start the water. I am so impressed. Not only does it have exceptional suction and does everything I expect a standard high quality carpet and upholstery cleaner to do, but with that hot water and that steam, this is so much more. This is an elevated carpet and upholstery cleaner plus a steam cleaner. So you really can use it to clean the top of your oven, your car, whatever you want to steam clean, shower edges, tile, grout. Steam is an amazing tool for getting your house clean, but then it is also that carpet cleaner using that steam and that hot water as well. This checks all the boxes for me. I am very impressed with the uwant B400 carpet and upholstery cleaner, and now I get exactly why you're gonna love this so much. I know I will. I highly recommend this.